Canon Printer Error P10 is one of the most common issues affecting Canon Pixma series printers. This error occurs when your printer fails to properly recognize one or more ink cartridges. The P10 error is particularly common in Canon Pixma models, including the MP160, MP180, MP460, MP510, and MP600 series printers. These printer models are especially vulnerable to cartridge recognition issues due to their cartridge holder design and contact sensitivity. When error P10 occurs, you'll see specific visual indicators that help identify the problem. The most obvious sign is an error P10 message on your printer's display, often accompanied by text indicating that a specific ink cartridge cannot be recognized. On older Canon models, you might also see alternating orange and green lights flashing on the printer, which is another clear indicator of the P10 error. When this error occurs, your printer will completely halt all printing operations until the cartridge recognition issue is resolved. Understanding the root causes of error P10 is essential for effective troubleshooting. There are 5 main reasons why this error occurs. The most common cause is dirty or corroded electrical contacts. The gold contacts on both the cartridge and inside the printer can accumulate dust, ink residue, or corrosion, preventing proper electrical communication. The second major cause involves incompatible cartridges, particularly third-party or refilled cartridges that the printer's authentication system doesn't recognize. Improper cartridge installation is another frequent cause. This includes cartridges that aren't fully seated, still have protective tape attached, or weren't installed in the correct sequence. Hardware malfunctions within the printer itself, such as faulty cartridge holders or damaged sensors, can also trigger error P10. Finally, firmware conflicts can occur when outdated printer firmware rejects newer cartridge authentication chips or when recent firmware updates become incompatible with existing cartridges. Understanding these causes is the first step toward resolving error P10. Each cause requires a different troubleshooting approach, which is why proper diagnosis is crucial for effective repair. Let's start with the most effective solution, a basic cartridge reset. This resolves about 70% of P10 errors and should always be your first step. If the basic reset doesn't work, we need to perform thorough cleaning. Use 99% isopropyl alcohol and cotton swabs to clean both cartridge and printer contacts. This removes corrosion and ensures proper electrical connection. Canon regularly updates printer firmware to improve cartridge recognition. Download the latest drivers from Canon's official support website and install them. This often resolves compatibility issues with newer cartridge chips. If software solutions don't work, inspect the hardware. Check the cartridge holder for damage or debris, examine printer head alignment, and test with known working cartridges to isolate the problem. Following these solutions in order resolves over 85% of Canon P10 errors. Start with the basic reset, then progress through cleaning, firmware updates, and hardware inspection until the issue is resolved.